If you are aiming for a top engineering college in India, SRM JEEE 2025 is your gateway to success. Conducted by SRM Institute of Science and Technology, this national level entrance exam opens doors to multiple SRM campuses, offering world-class education in engineering and technology. The exam is held online in a remote proctored format, so you can take it from home, stress-free. It includes 125 multiple-choice questions covering physics, chemistry, maths or biology, aptitude, and English. With no negative marking, yes, you heard that right. But how do you stand out from thousands of aspirants? Focus on concept-based learning, not rote memorization. The syllabus matches CBSE Class 11 and 12, so build your basics strong. Subjects like calculus, mechanics, organic chemistry, and modern physics can give you the edge if mastered well. Make a strategy, divide your day into blocks for theory, problem solving, and revision. Don't forget to solve previous year papers and mock tests, it boosts confidence and improves time management. Have you solved previous year question papers yet? This will improve your preparation. If you do not know where to find these papers, then visit our website notopedia.com, which is a non-profit educational platform where free study material is available for the preparation of SRM JEE and other entrance exams. Visit the website for preparation. Click on Entrance Exam, then scroll down a little and select your exam. Scroll down a little more and you will find the material for SRM JEE exam. As soon as you click on Exam, click on the Online Test section where you can give the online test, that too absolutely free. After that, click on Sample Papers to see sample papers. You can see notes for different topics in the Notes section, and in the last you will also find previous year papers for SRM JEE exam preparation. To avail all these free study materials, definitely visit notopedia.com. The link to the website is in the description. Now let's move forward in the video. SRM University offers more than just academics. With global collaborations, internship opportunities, and a strong placement record, you're not just getting a degree, you are stepping into a career. The campus life, research labs, and tech events create an environment where innovation thrives. So, if you want flexible curriculum options, real-world exposure, and a future-proof career in engineering, SRM JEEE 2025 is the exam to prepare for. Apply through SRM University's official website and get one step closer to your dream. Success starts with a smart plan. Are you ready to take the leap? If you liked the video, please like and share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.